Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Meg and welcome. Today I'm going to be recreating this look with this palette, the Fierce by Nature palette. I'm so excited, it's my favorite palette ever. So if you like this look, go ahead and keep watching. I'm using this Fierce by Nature palette. This is my favorite palette of all time. I think I got it a couple weeks ago. It's so beautiful. Let me open it for you guys. I'm sure you know what it looks like by now. It's been out for a while. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to be creating a very bright look today. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be doing the P. Louise priming base. It's in the shade Rumor 2. I hope everyone's being safe. How is everyone? I hope everyone is safe. It's crazy right now. I went to the store and the line was all the way to the frozen food section. It's crazy. People were pushing, people were yelling at the workers. So just be safe out there. It's crazy. Just wash your hands and just, if you're sick, stay home. Hopefully your job will be understanding. So I just wanted to say, just think positive and it will all blow over, hopefully. Just take it seriously and think positive. So I'm going to start with this shade Trance. It's this nice transition shade right here. I'm working on speaking louder. I know I'm talking soft. I just have a soft voice. But I'm trying to speak up, so hopefully this goes a little better. So I'm gonna put this all over my lid, under the brow bone. Next I'm gonna take warning label and put it over my crease. Putting it in the crease. I got some fallout because it's a dark shade. Don't worry, I will clean it up. I'll clean it up right now, actually. This adds like a little bit of a cut crease. Just pat that down. Then just go over a little bit to get rid of that harshness. My dog just sneezed 1,000 times. I don't know if you heard that. Next I'm going to take this brush in the shade Hypnotic to darken the crease. 1 second. So I cleaned up the crease a little bit. I'm taking a stiff brush and I'm just darkening that crease up. Dark. On the outside, we have a nice contrast if it's dark and bright. Wow, the sun's shining in. Natural lighting, yay! Okay. So since the colors are so bright, I am going to put some concealer on my lid. Just put a little dot like that. And I'm going to take a brush and just even it out. I'm new at this technique, the cutting of crease. I've never done it before. It's not really a cutting of the crease. I just want to have a nice foundation on when I put a really light color on. It's like light and bright. That makes sense. I'm going to take the shade Inferno. Start to pack that on the middle of the lid. Starting to build up some color. Oh my gosh, this palette is so pretty. A little bit more. Just really pack on that color. Then we're going to take Red Alert. We're going to put it right over here. I am getting some fallout, but it just wipes off. Just blending that over. If the camera angle changed a little bit, my tripod kind of went down on its leg and fell over. So, what are you gonna do? Then I'm taking my color switch, I'm using the same brush. I'm gonna be going in Ball of Fire. This shade right here. And I'm just putting this for some fiery look. Brightens up the whole look. It's a really bright look, but I love it. I think it looks really cool how it's bright and then it's dark over here. Not too dark. Dark enough. Then I'm gonna apply the shade Make Believe, which is this one right here, with my finger, because it works a lot better with my finger than a brush, I find, with these glittery, shimmery shades. Just gonna put that in the middle of the lid, just for a little sparkle. I'm gonna take a small brush like this and just blend out. Sorry if the angle changed again. Oh my gosh. Sorry if the angle changed again. My camera died. And I just charged the battery too. So I was just blending. I am a mess today. I'm blending everything together. I'm going to take a brush and wipe off staining my face a little bit. Just a little warning. Just gonna cover that up. Much better. The look is almost done. Well, on this eye. I have to do the other eye. I'm going to be taking this green color. There's not a lot of room on my desk, so everything keeps falling. I'm putting it under my lash line. I think this allows a nice pop of color. And then me taking the other green color. Oh, that lash color was Come Alive, and this one's called Power Play. I wrote all the shades down, their names, because it's not on the actual palette, and I have the clear sheet, but it's hard to keep putting it on and off, so I wrote all the names down that I'm using So keep looking over there, that's why. Eyes are super sensitive, so it's hard sometimes. I'm just gonna take this brush and blending that out. Then I use this shade, Stun Wild, in the corner of my eye. I'm just going to be blending everything together. Okay, I'm gonna go apply the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, this is the finished look. I just went ahead and applied mascara from Tarte, the Tartiste one, and then Morphe white eyeliner, and then this lipstick in Meringue by Bite Beauty. And this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. I love this palette so much. The only thing is there's a little bit of fallout, that's it, but it's manageable. I just did some concealer over it and wiped it off. So I love this palette so much. It's amazing. I really hope you guys like this look. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Thank you so much. Bye guys.